need you to be cute because we got a date wig. Now after your date, is the wig gonna last? I don't know what you're doing on your date. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we are talking about another Color Bomb wig from OUTRE. I have the style Keevah and I have the color Frosted Dark Blonde. This wig is really easy, y'all. It's so beginner friendly, so simple, so fast. I'll show you guys real quick how I put this wig on, and then I'm gonna wrap it up with my final thoughts. Before we get started, definitely give your girl a thumbs up for this video, okay? You guys want more wig content, you want more wig videos, push me out. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You'll be back. And let's go ahead and jump into this video.
Close your eyes, let that rhythm get into you. Don't try to fight it. There ain't nothing that you can do. Relax your mind. Lay back and groove with mine. You gotta feel that heat, and we can ride.
We are back. How y'all feeling? I'm feeling good. I am feeling good. I told you guys, putting on wigs and makeup really brightens my mood. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig. This is another Color Bomb wig that I'm dropping for you guys. I dropped another Color Bomb. I think it was Charleston. Check the review right here. This is the Color Bomb in the style Keevah. This is from the Blonde collection. So last week I did do, or last week, 2 weeks, I don't know. Y'all know I be editing these videos whenever. Who knows? I probably filmed this video like a month before you see it really drop. I don't know. So I did recently review a wig from the Color Bomb collection. I was in the style Charleston. That one I reviewed last week or the week before. I'm not sure how this video is going to come out, but that was from the Color Bomb Piano Highlights collection. So now we are on Keevah, which is this nice crimp. We're getting piano highlights as well, but it's also the Blonde collection. I am happy with this Blonde collection because I don't know if you guys remember. I think it was last year. Hold on. Let me check my phone real quick. Okay, I figured it out. So you guys remember last year around April, May, that's what, whenever this video is saying that I dropped it, they dropped those Color Bomb Blonde collections. Oh, my brain broke, y'all. We gonna take that off. So you guys remember the Color Bomb collection. It was Bona, Cassidy, and Courtney. Oh, and also Kamani. It was a lot from the Color Bomb collection last year. It was like the bobs and then the long ones. Y'all remember? So I am excited with them bringing out this Color Bomb collection with the Blonde collection, Color Bomb specifically, because those wigs were sold out for a while and they also have not dropped like other Color Bomb Blonde collections since then. So OUTRE, we be waiting patiently at the door, and I was waiting for this Blonde collection to drop. So I do have Keevah. I have the color DRFF4 Frosted Dark Blonde. This is new. Y'all know how I feel about new colors. I mean, we all do, right? From this whole blonde collection, you're gonna get a wide range of blondes. It looks like all the Color Bomb blondes that we got last year are in here, except this one right here, which is the dark blonde, and that's why I wanted to bust it out for y'all. I'm happy with this blonde. So you're gonna get your nice piano highlights, you're gonna get your nice blend of blonde in here. This color actually this summer was trending a little bit, if you guys remember, in that piano highlight color. It's cool that they went ahead and put it on a wig. Outre be paying attention. They be paying attention. Let me just give you guys some specs. Again, this is a very simple beginner-friendly wig. This comes with a lace part right down the middle. It's 5 inches of parting space. It comes with some baby hairs. I didn't mess with no baby hairs. It comes with, you got 2 combs right here and 1 in the back. This cap is pretty stretchy, but you do have to kind of pull it from the back. And I forgot that last week when I reviewed that other Color Bomb collection wig. It is a little like snug, but if you pull it from the back, it's fine. It works. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do the middle part that it comes with or to the side, so just follow me on my Instagram, Miss Khrissy. Y'all see all the pictures. I went ahead and just put her right down the middle because I think it brings out the highlights more, and it's just really pretty. Now I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about this Color Bomb collection. This is a synthetic wig. Keep in mind what you pay for when you buy a synthetic wig. I know exactly what I'm signing up for with synthetic wigs, so I don't really expect too much, meaning I'm signing up for a style, I'm signing up for colors, I'm signing up for certain things in the wig. And for this wig, this is what you're paying for. You're paying for these waves, you're paying for this color blend. That's what you're paying for. Now this texture on this wig, this is a silky wig. The other wig that I recently reviewed from this collection was silky as well, so I'm noticing that these Color Bombs are absolutely silky. It's going to be like your classic doll hair synthetic wig. It's not going to be any yak on this. There's no yacky. So if you are one of those people that like a little bit of light yacky or yak, this is not for you. Because it's so silky, look, this is what happens with silky wigs. Look how frizzy it's getting already, okay? So you're not going to get much wears out of this, y'all. You're not. But it's cute. It's definitely cute, but this is what happens with the silky texture. Like, this is a, what is this? What is this? Come on now. So I think when they do these wigs like this, they probably should consider putting a little bit more yacky in it to give it a little bit more weight. That way it doesn't get so tangly and frizzy so quick. But that's just my opinion. You know, I don't make the wigs, I just review it. Brush it out, spray some water, comb it. She'll be okay. This is the I need you to be cute because we got a date wig. Now after your date, is the wig gonna last? I don't know what you're doing on your date, but it might be a 1-2 kind of wear wig. But it's definitely really pretty. I think these Color Bomb units, if they made it with that texture of Kamaya, they will definitely last longer. But when it's silky like this, it doesn't last, and that's the issue. You know, we buying these wigs all the time, but we need it to last, Outre. So consider that. Maybe just a little. This wig is in the $40 range. I wish it was a little bit cheaper. I wish it was in the $30 range, especially the fact that it's silky and I don't feel like it's gonna last that long. They've been inching up on these prices because they know we gonna buy them, but I wish it was a little bit more affordable. To each his own. I wouldn't personally buy this wig again because of how tangly it's getting, but I am happy that I have this wig, and I actually don't think I'm gonna sell this one because it's pretty. It's a look, so I'm gonna get a couple wears out of this with the look. I did have to go in with some wig spray. You guys should be used to using wig spray by now on your synthetic wigs. The only reason I grabbed this one is because it smells good. But I do normally use my synthetic wig spray that I show you guys all the time. I'll leave a link below. You can get this one off Amazon, or you can get whatever spray you like. You don't have to use this spray, but these sprays definitely do help with these wigs. Synthetic spray and serum is going to help you with running your fingers through these wigs because this is not human hair, okay? This is plastic. It's synthetic. So it's mimicking hair, but it's not human hair. The waves won't come back if you shampoo it, so be careful with that. As far as running your fingers through it too much or brushing it out too much, it's not gonna come back. So I did go in with my brush and brush it out a little bit, only because it was a lot of shedding from me cutting the lace so close. I wanted to get those extra strands of hair out, but once you get it out, it doesn't really shed that much. I did go in to kind of get the pattern back. I put water and serum and just kind of pull it through, and it kind of returns the pattern back. I didn't melt this wig at all because even though it says lace front, like, Come on now. I'm not doing all that. This is an on and gone wig. I ain't playing with y'all. I want to put my wig on and be out the house. So I put this wig on, literally plop on my head, just a little bit of powder in the parting space, and that's it. Sometimes too, a trick that I've learned is if you do put too much powder in the parting space, put a comb in the middle and spray it with water. Boom, your part will look extra straight, even though mine looks crooked because I've been playing with it so much. I did put a little bit of heat at the top with my flat iron, only because of packaging, just to kind of smooth it out. It was a little humpy, but that's it. That's all you need. You can tint this lace if you do plan on like pulling her up. But the fact that I'm not doing all of that, I know how I wear my wigs. I'm not pulling her up. I'm going to wear it. If I wear it, I'm going to wear it like this. So all of that won't be showing. So for me to pluck and make it look, I'm not playing with y'all. It's synthetic. It's gonna tangle up and be in the garbage in about a week or two, okay? Let's be real. We buy these wigs for the look. We're not buying them to keep them long term. Do what you feel like you need to do with your wig. I think she's pretty. I think she's definitely a look. She's a great look for an event, any kind of event you have. You know, if you want to go out, you can get a couple wears out of her, but it all depends on you and how you wear your wig. This wig is starting to tangle up on me because why? She's synthetic. So don't expect too much out of a synthetic wig, but if you go in knowing what you're paying for, then you're gonna be all right. I know what I paid for. I paid for a synthetic wig. As far as the length goes, this is what the length is looking like in the back. I was gonna review the other wig in this collection, the last one, the straight one. This is Chara. But honestly, guys, I don't like the textures on these color bombs. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like it's kind of a waste for me because I resell my wigs, and by the time I'm done with this review, like, who's gonna want to buy that? You know, so I'm not gonna review that one because I'm just not. I'm not. So I'm definitely gonna sell it. Check the description box below. I do sell my wigs, so I sell some new ones, I sell some used ones, I sell ones that I bought and decided I don't want to review, etc, etc. If you do like my lip, I did do a video, I think about 2 years ago, but it's still relevant because you guys asked me these questions. This is Kat Von D. I put a little bit of Exorcism on the outside, and in the middle I put Sanctuary. So check out that Kat Von D lippy video right here if you guys need lip inspiration. I do a lot of lip swatches, but you know, y'all don't like videos like that. Y'all like wig reviews, but I do makeup on this channel. Also, my eyes are Fiji brown. I think this is TTDEYE, so check the video right here if you're interested. I'm telling y'all this stuff because you guys asked me, that's why. And then by the time I'm done, I forget. So that's all it is. But I think she's pretty. It's not a wig I would definitely go buy twice, but she's pretty. She's a look. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. You know, it helps push out my videos. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.